When installing Viking rear shocks on your S550 Mustang, please start by removing the C-clip with a set of needle nose pliers. The C-clip and the O-ring are not required. Remove them and discard. In this application, it is imperative that you retain the factory rear bump stops. With a razor knife, trim them to a total of 2 1/4 inches. After trimming the bump stop, place it over the shock shaft as shown. After you've installed the bump stop over the shock, install the factory dust boot cover. With hand tools only, reinstall the shock mount on top of the Viking shock. Reinstall the factory dust boot cover on top of the shock. With the provided bolts, nuts, and washers, attach the lower part of the shock to the factory lower control arm. Reuse the factory upper bolts to mount the shock mount to the chassis. Congratulations on the installation of your new KellTrac spec Viking shocks.